Now, of course, you know much better about date and time, how they working. Something like the field there. I will talk about objects later on. And we have signature, nothing so important. Just type the name. Yeah, John, your email, and the title, let's say CEO. Okay, and you could type your email and okay, and there it is, nothing special. But the subject I want to mention here is symbol. You're already familiar with equations on the beginner course. On the symbol, you could click on that to show the quick list, or click on more symbol. Based on the symbol, your font, and a special character you could insert. For example, here I could choose the copyright and insert, or other characters, something like that. But note that we have many features and options you have to notice. For example, if I choose the C, which is this copyright sign, there is the shortcut key, Alt or Option, plus there is a number here, 0169. What does it mean? It does mean if I hold on the Alt or Option key and type that 0169, you could insert copyright. But because some symbols are very useful, like the copyright, we have other features or options available to insert. If I open it and choose that, we have the character code, which I will mention on the future, doesn't matter for now. You could go to the special character, which they are so useful, the list, and find the copyright. There is a shortcut for that, Alt-Control-C or Option-Command-C on the Mac. So if I hold on the Alt-Control or Command Option and press C, also we could insert the copyright character. Allow me to make it larger to be visible, okay? And still, if I go the symbol options, there is autocorrect for that too. If I click on the autocorrect, you see the first one. Autocorrect, as you see here, open parentheses, C, and close it. I introduced the autocorrect and autocomplete briefly, so you could use that. Open parentheses, allow me to close that, open parentheses, C, and close that. There it is. So we have several ways to insert a symbol there. I want to mention one additional tip here. Of course, you know, on the autocorrect and shortcut key, how we could add, you could use it. I explained that. Also, for a special character, you could use the shortcut key and define your own version. But some characters and symbols may be something like that. It is different, the shortcut key, with this one. Here the shortcut key is using Alt or Option, which they are using the different key. Just to mention the name, it is using the ASCII code. So this character, like alphabets or numbers, there are no shortcut, but they are using ASCII code. But this special character here, like infinity, it is different with regular characters. And the shortcut it is, you see that here, shortcut key is 221E, comma, Alt or Option X. And look at here, they are different, and they are always combining with Alt or Option X. This is different with something like euro, pound, yuan, etc. So they are using Alt or Option plus the number you will type, but these characters are the special. In this case, if you want to insert something like that, you could remember this value, 221E, and you could apply with this, 221E. And now hold on the Alt or Option key and press X. You see what's happening? If I do again Alt or Option X, you will see Unicode. Let's try one more character just as an example. Symbol, more, and this one here. You see 2 to 60. Okay, 2 to 60. Alter Option X. And for this one also, click by the end, Alter Option X. And note that you cannot click middle of that, because if I hold on the Alter Option now, it is gonna calculate 22. You see, the 1E is remain, and this is the code. Allow me to undo that. Even you could type, for example, letter A, capital maybe, and Alter Option X, and this is the Unicode here. So you know that after this, if I type 0041 and press Alter Option X, you could actually insert the A capital character.